If VLC player is lagging, stuttering, or skipping frames, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that can help smooth playback fast. These steps are especially useful if you're watching high-resolution videos, streaming from a network drive, or using a computer that's struggling with the current playback settings. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the hardware accelerated decoding setting. Open VLC and go up to Tools, then click Preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, stay on the simple view for now and look for Input or Codecs. In that section, find the option called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. If it's currently set to automatic, change it to Disable. If it's already set to Disable, switch it back to automatic. This may sound a little backwards, but depending on your system, one setting can work much better than the other. Sometimes your graphics card handles decoding smoothly, and other times it can actually cause lag or frame skipping, so testing both options is a smart first step. After changing it, click Save, close VLC completely, and then reopen it so the new setting takes effect. If the video is still lagging, the next thing to try is increasing the file caching value. This is one of the best fixes if you're playing large files, high-resolution footage, or content that's being accessed over a network. Go back to Tools, then Preferences again. This time, in the bottom left corner, click All under Show Settings. That opens the Advanced Settings menu. On the left sidebar, click Input/Codecs. Now on the right side, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Look for file caching in milliseconds. You'll usually see a default value like 300 or 1000. To improve buffering, double that number. For example, if it says 1000, change it to 2000. If it says 300, try 600 or even a bit higher depending on the file. A higher cache can help VLC load video more smoothly and reduce those annoying pauses or skipped frames. Once you've changed the value, click Save and restart VLC again. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is changing the video output module. This setting controls how VLC sends video to your display, and the wrong option can sometimes cause playback issues. Go back into Tools, then Preferences, and select All in the bottom left again so you're in the full Advanced Settings view. On the left menu, expand Video, then click Output Modules. On the right, look for the Video Output Module dropdown. Make sure it is set to automatic. If it's set to something else, switch it back to automatic first, because VLC will usually choose the best option for your system on its own. After that, click Save and restart the player once more. At this point, one of these 3 changes usually solves the problem, or at least makes VLC much smoother than before. The key is to test each setting one at a time so you can see which one made the difference. If hardware acceleration was the issue, toggling it can instantly improve playback. If the file is demanding, increasing caching can give VLC more breathing room. And if the video rendering path is causing trouble, the output module setting can fix frame skipping and visual stutter. If you want the best results, I'd recommend starting with hardware accelerated decoding first, then increasing file caching, and finally checking the video output module. That way you're covering the most common causes of lag in the right order. Also, if you're working with a very old computer or a machine with limited graphics support, the disable option for hardware decoding may perform better. On the other hand, if you're using modern hardware, automatic may be the smoother choice. The same goes for file caching. Too little can cause lag, but too much can increase delay before playback starts, so it's all about finding the right balance. And that's it. You now know how to fix VLC player lagging and skipping frames using 3 effective settings inside VLC preferences. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.